I went from 2 videos per week to 7 using this AI workflow without hiring anyone or working more hours. Here's the exact automation stack. vidIQ plus Perplexity for topic research, ChatGPT for title testing and hook generation. Every video starts with data, not guesses. Claude writes the first draft for my outline. I record with a teleprompter app. Total script time, 15 minutes instead of 2 hours. The script removes filler words and silences. CapCut AI adds captions, transitions, and B-roll suggestions. Opus Clip generates short-form clips automatically. Midjourney generates thumbnail concepts. Canva AI refines them. TubeBuddy optimizes titles and descriptions. Everything is templated and batched. Want my complete YouTube AI workflow Notion template? Link in the description. Subscribe to see the results of this system after 90 days.